years old. I love English and music.
Hello, my name is Yana. I am 9 years old. I have an older brother and I like English very much.
I'm Kaya, I'm 9 years old.
Hello, I'm Eva Josic. I'm 10 years old. I have a brother. His name is Renja. He go Robertson school in the Cvičeva. I like English and I like very much basketball.
My name is Maria. I'm 9.5 years old and I like English very much.
Hello, I am Ivona. I'm 10.5 years old. I like English and singing. I was riding in my car, screaming at night, screaming at the dark, screaming at fries. I wasn't doing nothing, just driving out, screaming loud, letting it out. But that's all I was doing, just letting it out. When along comes a motorcycle, very much to my surprise, I said, "Officer, was I speeding?" I couldn't see his eyes. He said, "No, you weren't speeding." And his husband's tongue. He said, "Lady, you were screaming at the top of your lungs. You were doing it alone, you were doing it alone, you were screaming in your car, and 10 miles on, you were doing it alone, you were doing it alone, you were screaming. You were doing it alone, you were doing it alone, you were screaming in your car, and 30 miles on, you were doing it alone, you were doing it alone, you were screaming." I said, "Roll on for my windows, do not want to disturb the peace. I'm just looking for a little really